Now, this illustration deals with single conductor cables in accordance with NEC 392.80, B as in boy, 2 little b. Now, notice the first thing that we would want to review here is what type of cable tray, and it says the cable tray is uncovered, and the conductors are single conductors, 300 kc mil THHN copper. So step one, according to this section we just quoted, we can use the free air table of 310.17 to obtain ampacity. So 300 kc mil, 505 amps. Step two, we apply the demand factors, derating factors, which is adjustment factors. And 392.80, B as in boy, 2 little b, requires a 65% adjustment factor. So 65% of 505, the new allowable ampacity of that conductor is 328. So in the solution, based upon the cable tray being uncovered, and due to the conditions of the size of the conductors and so forth, and the application of 392.80B2B, 65% is selected. So 65% of 505, again, is 328. So the solution and ampacity is 300 kc mil, only good for 328 due to the 65% adjustment factor in step two, and that's what this illustration is illustrating.